Okay, quick teaser. This is the contour fan housing with Ford Focus motors and 11 blade units. And essentially how I installed them on the reversa here are the three screws you put in from the other side. Essentially I unbolted the three contour ones, popped the fan out, got the 11 blade Focus fan and motors off the Focus assembly, bolted them right in. That's all I've done to this housing. Kept as much of the contour wiring harness as possible, and this is the first sort of fire up testing. So the two wires, one does low speed, one does high speed, and we'll just see how they go, see if there's any rubbing or noising or anything like that. So let's see what happens. So this appears to be low speed. No worries, no noises. We'll switch, and this is high speed. I will do another video shortly where I run it through soft start module. This is the Infinity style. I also picked up a Ford one, the dual fan versions. I want to give it a try. I have to wire up the ends a little bit and stuff, but I might try that as well and put that in the same video. So anyway, for now, just a quick teaser. Appears the fans fit in, no problem, and no rubbing or issues that way. They'll just fire right up and fit right in place of your stock contour fans. All right, talk later.